So now I want to show you guys how to set up a watch list on Robinhood. So let's say, for example, you're just getting started with investing and you want to keep an eye on a couple of different stocks or funds, but you're not quite ready to pull the trigger. What you're going to do is scroll down here to the lists section, and then you're going to create a new list, and then you're going to give it a name and set an icon. So I'm going to call this one Stocks I Am Watching. And then I'm going to set an icon here. And it looks like you have a couple of different options. So let me do like the monkey emoji because that's kind of funny. So there we have a new list called Stocks I Am Watching. And now I'm going to add stocks to that list. So let's say, for example, I'm keeping an eye on Tesla, Microsoft, and Netflix. I'm going to add those three stocks now. So you would simply type in the name of the stock and click the plus icon. That adds that to my watch list. Do the same thing now with Microsoft, add that, and then I'll do the same exact thing here with Netflix as well, and add that to my watch list. So now if I click the X, I now have created a watch list of Netflix, Microsoft, and Tesla, and you can also sort this by symbol, price, and percent change day to day. So that is how you would create a watch list if you're looking to keep an eye on a number of different investments.